I have never dreamt about success, but I have worked for it. Being inspired by this quote, I am Mona Prasad, an optimistic techie from Knitwear capital of India, Tirupur, and I have completed my schooling in Vijay Vikas International Senior Secondary School in Erode. I have secured first place in the drawing competition and the second place in swimming competition and the third place in under 16 cricket championship as a runner-up. Also, I have participated in inter-zonal matches at my school level. Apart from sports, I had a keen interest in cyber security, so I chose BE/CSE IoT in SNS College of Engineering. My short-term goal is to complete my degree with good CGPA, and my long-term goal is to achieve a good position in top MNC company. So opportunities don't happen; you create them. So I am trying to find my opportunity and achieve a good place in my life. To know more about me, I shared my link in LinkedIn.